welcome back to Tugs Rugs. This is Travis here. Today we are about to work on a customer's logo. This is what it looks like. So it's for the culture, and then it has these flags down here. So we're trying to pull this off. I mean, it's a lots of red, whites, and blues in here, so it shouldn't be that difficult. But this is the drawing here that I did. So I got the drawing down. So I'm gonna maybe attempt to use the cut pile gun. I do have my my loop pile that can probably get these smaller things a little bit more closer, but I think they're not that small. Usually when it's real small, I use my loop pile gun, but I think everything a nice size to use the cut pile. So let's get these colors going, and let's get this time lapse. People, that's another rug down, man. It came out, man. Yes, it came out pretty good. It's gonna come out way smoother too once I shave it all down. You know, get everything down, shave down. So, but I think it came out good. You know, you get all these little stragglies, you know, when I shave it all down. So, I think that came out pretty good. Yeah, for the culture. Let me show you the back. Back here. Oh yeah, another one down. So now all I gotta do is get the glue on it, get the backing on it, get the tag on it, call the customer. Hey, and that's another one down, man. Ching ching, make this money. So hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell. Alright, see y'all in the next rug. Peace.